Have you ever wondered why some people stick to good habits effortlessly while others struggle again and again? The secret is not willpower. It's about making habits so attractive that your brain actually craves them. In this video, based on Chapter 8 of Atomic Habits, you'll learn how to transform boring routines into irresistible habits. Our brains are wired to chase pleasure and avoid pain. That means if a habit feels boring or difficult, we'll avoid it. But when it feels good, we'll come back to it again and again. James Clear suggests a brilliant strategy called temptation bundling. It means linking something you should do with something you enjoy. This simple trick makes habits almost magnetic. Imagine this. You only allow yourself to watch Netflix when you're exercising. Suddenly, the treadmill isn't a chore anymore. It's a reward system. This is how you hack your brain's cravings. Dopamine is not just the chemical of pleasure, it's the chemical of anticipation. When you know something fun is coming, your brain releases dopamine, pulling you toward the habit. That's why pairing habits with rewards works so well. Words shape our feelings. Instead of saying, I have to work out, say, I get to strengthen my body and energy. This tiny shift transforms a burden into a privilege. Your environment is a silent force shaping your actions. Place your running shoes by the door, keep fruit visible on the counter, and hide junk food. Attractive cues invite good habits automatically. The secret isn't discipline, it's design. If you design habits to be enjoyable, your brain will want to repeat them, and that's how good habits stick for life. Quick recap. 1. Make habits enjoyable. 2. Use temptation bundling. 3. Reframe your mindset. 4. Shape your environment. Do these, and your habits will become not just doable, but irresistible. That's Chapter 8 of Atomic Habits. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing lessons, and share this with someone who needs it. Remember, don't just build habits, make them attractive, and they'll stick forever.